friends, today we are going to learn how to make double-layered symmetrical masks. We're going to be using our cutting and gluing skills. To complete this project, you will need 2 different colors of construction paper. If you don't have construction paper, you can use your own white paper, notebook paper, or paper from your sketchbook. First, you will fold both papers in half like this. After you have made the first fold, you're going to fold your paper in half again, like this. Make sure that you push down on the edges so that the paper is folded correctly. Now we have 4 sides. We have the top part with 2 folded edges. We have the middle part with 1 folded edge. We have the open part with 4 edges, and the bottom part with 4 edges. Now we are ready to cut small shapes from each of the 4 edges of our papers. And so right here, I'm just going to be cutting triangles and maybe some round shapes out of each of the edges of my paper. And I will do the same with my second color of paper. We want to try not to cut across one edge of the paper, especially on the folded edges, because if we cut shapes across the whole thing, we'll end up cutting our papers in half, as seen here. Now that I've got my 2 pieces cut correctly, I'm going to go ahead and open them up and see what they look like. I will stack them on top of each other and start to think about what these 2 pieces of paper inspire me to make. I will also find a couple of holes that will be the eyes and the mouth. Now it's time to glue. I'm going to twist my glue open, scratch off any dry glue that's at the top, and turn my glue bottle upside down so that the glue will go into the orange tip. As you glue your 2 pieces together, you want to make sure that you use lines instead of puddles or shapes of glue. Remember, we don't want to use too much glue. Now I'm ready to glue the pieces together, so I'm going to go ahead and place this dark blue on top of the lighter blue piece, and I'm going to pat it so that the 2 pieces glue together. Right now I can use scrap papers to glue some details to my creature, so I'm going to go ahead and glue these white triangles that I have from another project onto this for teeth. I can also use markers to add details to my piece. So right here I'm going to outline the eyes and maybe just add some little scales or something on this like sea-like, lizard-like creature I have here. You can also feel free to glue any type of embellishments you have at your house onto your mask, like other pieces of paper, foam shapes, glitter, anything you want to add to your mask will be fine.